the roots look like. I ordered this bulk off of Amazon bulk. Packaging is the 18-inch Passion Twist 1B and 130. 6 pieces of it. This package came in that type of packaging. So see the type of colors. 2 different colors. It's cool. About 22 on one ring. It's not so bad. Up card, you know. And then we have, you know. Okay. And then, you know, the business card. And it came with a crochet, so I didn't have to go to the store. Crochet and rubber bands, all for $12.99. I'm a girl for a deal, so when I saw $12.99, I was like, do I see a challenge? So stay tuned. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and did the back of my head just to get a start on that. Got carried away, but yeah, back of it looks like that. I would say that's probably a good well, look crazy. That's probably a good 40 to 50. So what I did was girl, please, this here, what you take it and you hold here with one and you roll the opposite way. This will make it come loose like this. You see? And you're just pulling it apart. So when you do that, you get sections. And with those sections, now that I'm at the front, I'm not really parting because I like I don't know. I just don't like parts in the front of my head. I like it to look more not guided, you know? Just a heads up, I just learned how to braid in my hair. Never once thought about, I'm dipping my hand in here and, you know, as I braid. You need the most moisture as you can get. So, braiding here. Braiding. You want it tight at the root. So.
I get so faded. The way I'm feeling, I can't take it. Why the fuck I had to fall in love with you? How the hell I let myself get comfortable? You get me so excited, and I just can't fight it. Cause every time you come around, you know I just can't hide.
2 pieces. One piece goes here, other piece goes there, and under. And then this goes over. And just keep going. Under and over.
Got scars, we made it fall, but you broke my heart. I know it's hard. We both got scars, we made it fall, but you broke my heart. I'm a fool for love. I'm a fool for love. I'm a fool for love. I'm a fool for love.
Which is pregnant
I'm a
too,
fool for
my hair's no
love.
longer out.
I'm a fool
Not
for
that funny brace or
love.
whatever, just more secure in my hands. Cause girl,
Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. It's like over and over I try, but the more and more I cry. It's like over and over I try, but the more and more I cry. I ain't tryna be neighborhood hero. Hey. I'm tryna stay up out the way and count my pesos. I ain't worried about no drama, I want them zeros. I swear to God, only care about my people. We gotta make it, we gotta make it. So, all them chances, I gotta take it. Whoa, we gotta make it, we gotta make it. So, all them chances, I gotta take it. Whoa, never had no love we love. They took my love for granted, but I'm still out here trying to love. I'm still taking chances. I be going through so much, feel like a lonely child. And ever since I was a youngin', I've been running wild. Misunderstood, I misbehave, I got some selfish ways. I wasn't thugging in these streets, I was trying to get paid. I never settled for no love, but no minimum wage. We gotta make it out the hood, we don't do Section 8. If I told you what I've been through, wouldn't understand it. Got a big heart, so everybody trying to take advantage. Wish my father was in my life, he's kinda up and vanished. I love my lover and my friend, and she ain't even dead. I'm pouring shots by the bottle, taking it to the head. They say you read with your soul, so you should get your karma. I came from nothing, made it something, I'm just being honest. Yeah. Talking to the Lord, pray that he save me. I ain't felt real love since I was a little baby. If I put my trust in you, please, please don't play me. Hey. I pray for greatness, pray for sadness, pray for everybody. I pray for the people around me if you don't care about me. I'm standing 10 toes while everybody folding. I got my back to the wall cause I'm one who shows on. Every heart on my shoulder, feel like this world is getting colder. More pain as I get older, but I'm standing cause I'm a soldier. Catching chills, I wanna cry. Sometimes I wanna die. Got the nerves to ask me why, I don't know. They got the nerves to ask me why, I don't know. They got the nerves to ask me why, I don't know.
So here I have 2 strands of the crochet hair. Put them together. Comb in to get it stressed a little bit. You know, put the crochet through the root of the hair. Hook it on. Clamp it. Pull it through. It gets stuck, of course, while I'm recording. And yeah, I do the same step for the next 2 braids because I found that much easier than just doing it one by one. So my whole head, literally, I put the crochet hair on all of the braids before I twist them down because at this point I was trying to find a quicker method. But I didn't know my head was this big, bro. So yeah. It got me looking stupid all over again while I'm recording, girl. Just looking foolish, girl. So as you see, I am holding in place my index finger on the braid with one hand, and then on the other hand I'm just wrapping it around. And you do it tightly, but not too tight, girl. That's your edges, but tight enough to, you know, like be cute. Yeah. Basically, that's all you do. And you're gonna come in contact with some hair that shrinks up. So I try to pull it up, because I don't want it to curl up. Like some you can see I guess that's the style. But some of them you can see like it got that curl because I did it tightly to the point where it curls up. Yeah. I don't know. Right now, I'm coming up to a point where I'm about to. Okay, I did that swap so easily. Okay, I'm about to swap it because the hair is smaller. So, let's see. Watch my hands. I'm basically just putting the smaller side and picking a larger piece. And just continuing. Just that simple. And I just lock it at the end with, well, at the back I was doing a knot type of method, but at the front, girl, I started burning it, then I glued it, so I can't even tell you. It all worked, girl. Just hurry up and get it done. I ain't know my hair was this big. It ain't gonna work. I think this one here, I actually put a little hair jewelry piece on it, girl. Want to do none of the method. So yeah, this is the finished product. I believe this is really good for only $12.99, and 1 pack, 6 packs did my full head, and you know, it's not thick and bulky. I feel like I took my time. You know, thinking of 6 packs, people usually use like 8 packs. I used 6, barely even 6, 5.5, and it really came out nice. And yeah, it only took me about 3.5 hours. I feel like once you get in the groove of things and you really like, okay, girl, like you've been doing this for an hour, it really comes natural. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos, hair videos. I feel like this is really good because I only paid $12.99 for the hair, and then I did it myself. I feel like, and yeah, it beats paying $500 or $300 for somebody to do the same as XL. So I think you should try it out yourself and then go pay $300. What else? Yeah, you guys, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.